When you're ready to share your Keynote presentation, email is one of the most popular ways to do it. To keep your file attachments reasonable in size, I'll show you a couple of easy tweaks you can make in this video. To do that, I always use the Reduce File Size option. Let's come up to the File menu and choose Reduce File Size. Make sure that these top two options are ticked to ensure that large images are reduced to take up less storage. And if you have any videos, you can tweak that from the movie quality drop-down option. Then hit reduce a copy and you can create a separate copy with elements reduced. Finally, another option would be to skip using Keynote altogether and just send a PDF file. This is a great idea since your recipient may not have Keynote installed. Let's go back to File, Export to PDF. On this screen, just leave the image quality set to good so that it reduces the size on export. Choose a place to export this and you're good to go with an easy to use copy for the recipient. From here, I recommend just adding it as an attachment to whatever email client is your personal favorite. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks for watching.